Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT error. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're seeing this kind of an error message while trying to operate ChatGPT, then there might be several reasons for that. This happens mostly because your country is restricted from accessing the service. Whenever you see this kind of an issue, the first thing you can do is to try disconnecting if you are connected to a VPN. Simply go ahead and turn off your VPN by clicking on the disconnect switch. And once you do that, go and open up your web browser, open up your ChatGPT account and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Click on the three dots at the top right from your web browser and in the expanded menu, click Settings. Now, from the Settings menu, click on Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down and when you find Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose What to Clear. Under Clear Browsing Data, select your time range from the list and make sure to check this both boxes that says cookies and other site data and cached images and files and click on Clear Now. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to clear out your browser's cache and cookies. Go back to your ChatGPT tab and try refreshing the page and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, then you can try opening up a different web browser and try logging into your ChatGPT account again and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through ChatGPT error code 1020. If you're not being able to log into your ChatGPT account, then the first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Try switching between a different Wi-Fi network if available and find the best connection for yourself. Next, open up the web browser that you are trying to log in with for ChatGPT and refresh your web browser for a couple of times. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to click on the three dots at the top right of your web browser and click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security tab from the left-hand side of the screen and try clearing your browsing data by clicking on Clear Browsing Data option. In the pop-up, select the Cookies and Other Site Data and Cache Images and Files option and click on Clear Data. So after you clear your data from this pop-up, you'll be able to fix your issue right away. You can go back to the login area for ChatGPT and try logging in again. If that still doesn't work, then try updating your web browser. From the Settings menu, click on the About button at the bottom and check for available update for your web browser. Once your web browser is up to date, you might be able to fix your issue. If you are connected to any kind of security software or antivirus software, make sure to disable it temporarily since that might be interfering with your login process for ChatGPT. Also, make sure that the software that you are using on your device is updated to the latest version. If not, you might not be able to use most of the services out there. So make sure that all of the software updates are done. Simply go ahead and open up Settings from your device and click on Windows Update button at the bottom. Go ahead and try updating your Windows and once it completes, go back to the login area for ChatGPT and try logging in again by entering your email and password. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to log into your ChatGPT account. If you're trying to sign up for ChatGPT but you are not being able to do so, then here is how you can fix the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure to use the email address that is never used with the service and click Continue. If you're still not being able to sign up, then the next thing to do is you can choose the Continue with Google or Continue with Microsoft account option at the bottom of the screen, which will be easier for you to create a new account. If you're still not being able to do so, then the next thing to do is to check for available update for the web browser. Go and click the three dots at the top right and in the expanded menu, click Settings. Now from your Settings page, click on the About button at the bottom left. Check for available updates for your web browser that you are using and once the update is finished, click the restart button to open your web browser again. Wait for a few seconds until your web browser relaunches and see if that fixes the issue. Also make sure that you have an available phone number in order to verify your phone number that is required for sign up, and try signing up for your account again. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to go back to the settings menu and tap on Privacy Search and Services. Under Privacy Search and Services, go and click on this Clear Browsing Data Now option and select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files option and click on Clear Now. Soon after you clear the browsing data for your web browser, you can go back to the sign up page and try signing up again. Apart from that, you can also try disabling any VPN if it is connected to your device and any kind of a security software or antivirus software temporarily, since those might be interfering with your sign up process for ChatGPT. If nothing else works out, you can simply try rebooting your device like you normally do and see if that fixes the issue. Also, if any update is available for your system, try updating to the latest software and sign up for your ChatGPT account again to see if that fixes the issue. If you are receiving too many request error message whenever you are trying to use your ChatGPT service, then here are some fixes you could try out. If you see the error, it means that you've already reached the maximum number of requests that can be sent in 1 hour with ChatGPT. So in that case, the first thing to do is to refresh the page where you have opened up ChatGPT. Once you give it a quick refresh, you might be able to fix the issue. Another thing you can do is to wait for an hour. Once you've made too many requests on ChatGPT, then you will need to wait for at least an hour before you can begin using the service. So try waiting for an hour, and once the problem has been solved, you can get back to ChatGPT service again. If the problem still doesn't go away, then the next thing to do is to try using a VPN. Simply go ahead and connect to any VPN that is available to you right now and try refreshing your ChatGPT webpage again. Doing so might help you get out of the situation. If the problem still persists, then you can try using a different OpenAI account. Simply go ahead and open up your second OpenAI account if available. If not, then the next thing to do is to clear your browser's cache. Click the 3 dots at the top right of your web browser and click on Settings in the pop-up. From your Settings menu, click on the Privacy Search and Services option. Scroll a bit down and under Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose What to Clear. Now, select your time range from the drop-down and make sure to check these 2 boxes that says Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Remember that clearing out your cookies and other site data might sign you out of most of the sites that you are already logged in with on this web browser. So if you know your credentials, you can continue clearing your browsing data by clicking on Clear Now. Soon after you clear your data, you can go back to the ChatGPT page and try refreshing the page one more time. And doing so might help you get out of the situation. Those were some of the easiest and the most common fixes you could try out whenever you're going through ChatGPT too many request error. The too many redirects issues are often caused if the ChatGPT server is overloaded with traffic, or it can also occur because of slow and unstable internet connection. First, check if your computer or your device is connected to a stable internet and try opening up a different web browser and try logging into your ChatGPT account. Sometimes, just changing into a different web browser might work in this situation. If you are connected to a VPN, try disconnecting it first, since your VPN might be interfering with your network, which might lead to ChatGPT redirect issue. Another thing you can do is to clear out your ChatGPT cookies. From your web browser, click on the 3 dots at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click the Settings button. Now, from the Settings menu, click on Privacy Search and Services. Scroll down and find the Choose What to Clear button. Under Clear Browsing Data, select your time range that you would like to clear out your data from, and then check these 2 little boxes that says Cookies and Other Site Data, Cached Images and Files. Remember that do not check any other boxes but these 2 and click on Clear Now. Soon after you clear out your data, you can go back to your ChatGPT web page and try refreshing your page once. You can also try logging out of your ChatGPT account by clicking on the log out button at the bottom left, and once you log out, log in back again like you normally do. If nothing else works out, you can try rebooting your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix ChatGPT not working on your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in chat.openai.com and press enter on a keyboard in order to get to your ChatGPT homepage. You need to log into your account as well. If you are going through ChatGPT not working issue on your web browser, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that your device that you are using is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and try connecting to a stable internet. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi if you've got multiple Wi-Fi connected on your device, and try refreshing your ChatGPT web page again. If the problem was network related, you'll be able to solve your issue right away. If not, the next thing to do is to clear your browser's cache that you are using at the moment. Once you're inside your browser, click on the three dots at the top right hand corner and in the expanded pop-up, click Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Privacy, Search and Services. Now, right under Clear Browsing Data, click on this Choose What to Clear button and select your time range from where you'd like to delete your browsing data, and then click on these two boxes that says Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Make sure to click only these two boxes and then click Clear Now. Soon after you clear out your browser's cache, you'll be able to solve the issue right away. Go back to your ChatGPT web page and see if that fixes the issue by refreshing your page once. If clearing out your browsing data didn't help, the next thing to do is to look for your web browser's latest update. Click on the About button at the bottom left from the Settings menu and now check for available update for your web browser. Your web browser updating process should continue automatically if there is any update available. Once you are done with the update for your web browser, you can go back to the ChatGPT web page and see if that fixes the issue. If you are connected to any VPN network, you should try disconnecting from it in order to solve the issue, since your VPN might interfere with your connection whenever you're trying to open up a web page. So always make sure to disconnect if you are using a VPN currently and if you are going through the ChatGPT issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your ChatGPT is not working on a web browser. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.